Sharing. It's perfect only. Audio. Now you now perfect. Fan is not on, sir. Now is it good? I just connected into my thing. I guess now it will be okay. So just one more minute. 16 people you guys have joined. If you guys are new to our channel, do subscribe. Okay, thank you, sir. It's good now. Good. 16 members have joined. If you guys are new to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Daily we are doing 30 days challenge with you guys. Okay. If you are interested in joining that, we will give the link in the description after this live is over. You guys can go and join over there. Okay, let's start the session. Okay, see, it is a stock selection webinar. Okay, in this webinar, you will be learning about how to select the stocks for your intraday purpose. See, everyone can't be profitable in option trading. As you guys know, I have started the 30 days challenge with 50,000 capital. In the day one, I made some 14% of returns. Day two, I made somewhat like 7% of returns, and day three, I lost 24% of returns. In that, I was testing my own strategy, which is a new strategy with 50,000 capital. I'm testing that strategy. As well as that, I'm trying to grow that capital, small capital. I'm trying to grow that using that strategy. Okay, in that way, many people come to option markets. Okay, in the option trading, they'll come and they think that they can earn money, but it is very difficult for you guys to earn money in options. Okay, options are particularly used for option hedging. Okay, it will be used only for option hedging. Okay, hedging in the sense, if you have a long position in somewhere and you're going to hedge that position. Okay, you're not going naked buying, you will be doing some hedging using options. Okay, that is why options are used. So now if you want to earn in options, it is very difficult. So for that, what you should do, you should make sure that you will maintain your accuracy on both the sides, as well as in equity market and also in derivative market also. Okay, again the disturbance, let me check again, guys. As it's perfect over here, there is no, see, okay, done. Now perfect. Let me know any issues, as I'm new to live, there might be some issues. Okay, good, no issues. Okay, see, that is why you should always focus on equity market as well as your option market. So in equity market, how do you select the stocks for intraday? For example, there will be many stocks that are going to be rallied. Okay, in the first 15 minutes or in the first hour or the first half of the market, the options, the equity trades, whichever you're going to take, the stock will rally very much, like 1%, 2%, and then it will be sideways. So how to capture that moves? Okay, that one strategy you will learn. And one more will be, today some stock has given a very good movement. So how do you select that stock, and how do you think that stock might go tomorrow? Tomorrow, how will it perform? That one will be there. That is the second strategy I'll be teaching in this webinar. Third one is something like some stock has went up more than 5%. 5% and more than 5% it has been gone up today. So tomorrow, how will it react? Okay, how can we get a very good accurate trades in that type of stocks? These three strategies we will be discussing in the stock selection webinar today. So if you guys have any doubts, you guys can let us know in the chat sessions. Guys, I'm just new to this, just adjust it. Okay, Sure, sir, Kamal, sir. Now, the first thing you need to do over here is you need to add the first thing I'm going to teach you over here. You need to add all the Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, all the Nifty 50 stocks under one watch list. Under one watch list, you should add all the Nifty 50 stocks. Okay, this is strategy one. Okay, and now you will go to you will keep on you keep open of NSE website. Okay, in NSE website, if you scroll down, you will see the top 5 stocks Nifty 50. We will only trade in Nifty 50 in equity. Why do we only trade in equity, that too in Nifty 50? There will be good liquidity. Okay, liquidity will be very good, and even the movements of Nifty 50 stocks are better than other sector stocks like Nifty 100 is there, Nifty 500 is there. Okay, other indices stocks are also there, but these are Nifty 50 stocks. That means top 50 stocks of India. So some people might be telling that why, sir, why should we select Nifty 50? We have good stocks which will give more movements. So I'm going to give you one example over here. Okay, I'm going to offer you, I want everybody to answer in the chat. Okay, I'm going to offer you Parle-G biscuit and I'm going to offer you Good Day biscuit. Which one are you going to choose? Come on in the chat section, let me know which one you will choose. One is of Parle-G biscuit and other one is of Good Day biscuit. Which one are you going to choose? Good Day. Some Parle-G, good, not an issue. Good Day. But according to you guys, many people will go for Good Day only. So we got 2 good days, 3 good days, good, and one Parle-G. So majority Good Day. Why? Because the quality is good. Okay, what are all the ingredients you're using in the Good Day? It is good. You get cashews, you get dry fruits and everything. But in Parle-G, it's a simple plain biscuit. And here the packing, everything is good. According to the price, you will be getting your whatever expectations you have. All those things you will be getting over here. Okay, the same way when NSE itself is filtering you out with top 50 stocks of India, and why will you go for the other stocks? Okay, these top 50 stocks are of Good Day. Okay, these are of Good Day. Okay, and Parle-G are rest of the stocks. Parle-G can give you a good profit and can fill your mouth. Okay, and fill your stomach as well. No issue with that. But these 50 stocks are of very good quality one. Okay, many might tell it's a Parle-G and so many things you guys are telling. No issues. I'm not selling any course over here, sir. I'm not selling or giving any services. Do not think in that way. There is no services from Hope Trader Academy. If someone is asking you guys that we are teaching the course, we are doing giving the copy my trades, and we are giving you this all these things, just ignore it. We have stopped all the services. We are not giving any course. We are not giving any services. We are giving everything just for free. Okay, it will be absolutely free. Understand that? So after you select this, for tomorrow, how are you going to select? This is strategy one. Tomorrow we are going to select. Okay, you need to understand that there are 5 stocks in top gainers and there are 5 stocks in top loser session. The first one we will go with Adani Enterprises. Okay, Adani Enterprises. Yes, this is the top gainers, number one top gainers, and we will go for daily analysis. Reset the chat view. Just check if you guys can find anything over here. You can see stock is at very good support now. In daily time frame, stock is at very good support, as you guys can see over here. And it has given one good movement over here. You can see. Okay. And you guys can mark this. We'll do the analysis on this and we'll keep it ready. 1 day time frame we are using. Yes. Come down to 4 hour time frame. Check with support and resistances. See, this was one of the strongest resistance that Adani Enterprises was facing, and now it has stopped over there. Come down to 1 hour time frame. Again, you guys can see it has been facing and it has given a breakout somewhere like this. So next, mark the next resistance. Okay, 1 hour time frame, it's done. Good. Come down to 15 minutes time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, we can get what will happen over here. Okay. See, for tomorrow, if it breaks this, I'm going to give you three scenarios. First one will be gap up. If it is a gap up opening, if it comes down, if it takes the support over here, create a long position over here with a target of 2300. Okay, as a target, and you guys can take your trade over here with half of this candle or this one. Okay, this as your stop loss, and target you can keep it over here 1:2. Easily you guys can earn 1:2 if it is a gap up opening. No, if it is a gap down opening. Okay, just remember this. Take a screenshot. If it doesn't work out, send me the screenshot. Okay, this will 110% whatever analysis I'm going to give you, it will work. And next, this is about gap up opening. Remember that. Now we will be discussing about gap down opening. If it is a gap down opening, let it come near the resistance. It will get rejected over here. Then you guys can take the trade till the last, whichever candle is there over here. This low you guys can take till here. If not, sir, it gave a breakout from here. Okay, then you guys can wait for small pullback, take your positions, again same for same target. Okay, like this you need to prepare. On top gainers and top losers, you need to prepare in this way. Now I have prepared for one Adani Enterprises, I have prepared. Okay, and next I will prepare for Cipla. Now if you observe carefully, Cipla and Device Lab both are of which sector? Pharma sector, and pharma is bullish over here. And just check in losers if there is any pharma stocks. No, there is not. Cipla and Device Lab are pharma sectors, so I'll focus on these two stocks. I'll keep ready with my analysis of Cipla and Device Lab. First one we will go with Cipla. Yes. Again, I'm going for 1 day time frame, removing all the drawings. There was a huge fall in 1 day. See, 8%, and now it is recovering. It will recover more. See, when there is 8%, 7.93, it is almost 8%. The next day it is having a small movement. This day also could have been a profitable day for us. Okay, so over here, mark the resistance, highest resistance, and mark the highest support. Okay, 4 hours, come down to 4 hours, mark the nearest resistance and support. It's good, we can mark it in 1 hour only, 15 minutes also we can mark it after. Yes, now comes the game. This is very good, guys. This can be very good trade for you tomorrow. This is of no trade zone, which I have marked over here. It's a no trade zone. Do not trade in this zone. Okay, Cipla. Only two movements is possible over here. If it breaks this with a retest and go for 1% at least. 0.6 to 1% target you guys can keep. Okay, and if it breaks on the downside, again expect gap filling over here. See, there is a gap over here. As you guys can see, there is a gap over here. Here, if you guys see, there is a gap. Okay, this gap filling you guys can expect. If it breaks this support with the retest, you guys can expect this. Okay, so these are the possibilities I'm telling you guys. So we have added into radar for tomorrow's trading using stock selection strategy of my own strategy with the top gainers. If the market is bullish, I will be going for Adani Enterprises and Cipla, these two, and one more for the bullish market, that is Device Lab. Same situation like Sipla. Mark the highest resistance we will mark it, as well as nearest resistance. Come down to 4 hours time frame. Correct your resistance and supports. One hour time frame. Good. Here you will get your movements, when to take what and what you should do. This is one of the 15 minutes time frame I'll take now. Yes. See, this is my no trade zone over here. This is my no trade zone. And if market gives a breakout above this with a retest, I'll aim for this resistance. Okay. We will get very good move. We will get 4% of move. You guys can take this as swing trade as well, and as well as for intraday also you guys can focus. If not, if it gives a breakout on downside, okay, this can be your target till the nearest target, till the nearest target. Okay, got it? Any doubts in this strategy? First thing you're going to do is, after the market is over, for tomorrow I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to take top three stocks of top gainers of today. Okay, today whichever stocks have gained, top three stocks I'm going to do it. I'm going to do multiple time frame analysis on that, and I'm going to mark the levels. I'm going to decide my no trade zone, and I'm going to check what if it gives a breakout on upside, what if it gives a breakout on downside, and I'm going to fix it. And this happens when the market is bullish. The market, whatever the top gainers we have marked, the higher possibility is on the up move. If the Nifty 50 is bullish, understand what I'm telling. If Nifty 50 is bullish, this whatever top gainer stocks we have selected, this upside moves are possible. One, okay, one in Device Lab is there, and other one in Cipla, and other one in Adani Enterprises. These three stocks. Tomorrow I'm going to post the results of this in my Telegram channel also, how it worked. Okay, so these three are for bullish market. If Nifty is bullish, we can expect this. If it is not bullish, also based on the breakout, you guys can go for this. Now we will go for top losers. See, every day we need to select three stocks for top gainers as well and top losers as well. When we do that, if the market is bullish, we'll go for top gainers. If not, if the market is bearish, we go for top losers. So now is Wipro. WIPRO, Wipro. Yes. Wipro, 1 day time frame, you guys can go check how the market is. Yes. See over here, it just filled the gap over here. Whatever gap was there over here, it filled. And now the market came down. Okay, small pullback was required. Now it is trading at very strong support as well. This is one of the strong support. So for tomorrow, we will be focusing on downside. We will not be focusing on upside. Okay, downside we will be focusing. Why? Upside, the confirmation is over here. Only if it gives a breakout over here, 402, then only we will be able to take the trade. But over there, it is 1.65%. I don't think that is possible. It is possible, but we will be the more chances are on the downside. Okay. Now over here, we will move to 4 hours time frame to correct our support and resistance. Perfect, no issues. 15 minutes time frame directly. I'm moving to 15 hours time, 15 minutes time frame. Okay, good. Okay, only one side movement I'm going to give you over here. So if it breaks this, let it come down and a small pullback, then you guys can expect some 0.5 to 0.80. So from the pullback, 0.5 to 0.7 or 8. Yes, this much of movement you guys can expect. Okay, for tomorrow in Wipro, this is possible. Okay, one stock we got it ready, that is Wipro. The second one will be Apollo Hospital, and check if there is any Wipro we have, HCL Tech have, and this, TCS we have. These three will belong to IT sectors. Keep that in mind. Okay, IT sectors. Here we got it for pharma sectors. Okay, here we got it for IT sector. So we will focus on IT sector. Wipro we got it. Now we will go for HCL Tech. HCL, HCL Technologies. Okay, very simple analysis. We'll do it over here. 1 day time frame. I'm going to reset the chart view. Remove the drawings. Mark the support. Exactly trading at the support. Guys, if we get an opportunity in this trade, that means in IT trades, it will be very, very good. Very good movements are possible, I'm telling you. Be very good, be patient, and it is going to reward you very good. Okay, you guys can expect a movement of almost 1% for tomorrow if it breaks. So we are going to keep one low. Okay, this is the day low. If it breaks, if it gives a breakout with a small retest, expect this. Okay, understood? This can be expected in 15 minutes time frame also, it will be seen. Okay, this is going to be the movement for tomorrow. And if on upside, if you want a movement on upside, you cannot go till the last high, whatever it has been. Above this only, you guys can expect the movement till here. Okay, above this, you guys can expect the movement till here. Yes, this can be possible. Okay. Sir, we should trade on strike price of so and so stock. No, sir, it's nothing like a you should trade on. You can trade on equity as well. Okay, it's up to you. You can trade on futures, you can trade on equity, you can trade on options based on your experience. Okay, based on your experience, your capital risk, and how much you are ready to lose in the market. That things you should first keep in mind and then take the trades. Okay, so this is the movement we will be expecting for HCL Tech for tomorrow. Okay, if you guys want, you guys can take the screenshot in this live and keep it for yourself. And the next is TCS. In TCS also we are seeing a down move. Okay, I'm going directly to 1 hour time frame. Check with the support thing. This is the support we have. Yes, 15 minutes time frame. This is the target we will get. If it breaks the low, with the retest, you guys can expect this. Very simple. I have given you the analysis for top 3 gainers and top 3 losers, and you should keep in radar that if Nifty is positive, you guys can go with top 3 gainers. If Nifty is negative, then you guys can go with top 3 losers. Is there any doubts in this? Any doubts? I hope there is no doubts in this strategy. Strategy 1, no doubts. No doubt. So please analyze Tata Consumers also. I have position in its bullish and I'm expecting. We'll see about that later, sir. I have two strategies to decide to discuss over here after that. So the first strategy I taught you guys was for preparing out for tomorrow. Now I'm going to teach you one strategy which we will execute in live market. How to do it in live market. So this how you are supposed to do. Here at 9:15, if you guys have a pen and paper or a notebook, note it down. At 9:15, market will open. At 9:25, remember, listen carefully. 9:25, you are going to open NSE website. You are going to click over here, view all. Okay. You are going to see how many advances are there, how many declines are there. For examples, advances is less and declines are more. Here, 17 advances, 33 declines. So at the live market, 9:25 a.m., okay, we will go to NSE. Okay, we'll go to NSE. We are going to refresh it. Okay, and then we are going to take which one is on top losers. Okay, which is on top losers. We are going to select that. For example, if the top losers, I'm going to see that Wipro, HCL Tech, and TCS. These three are IT sectors. At least two stocks should be there from each sector. Like same sector, it should be there. Like if it is Britannia and ITC, that are FMCG, or IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank, those are banks. Okay, like that same sector stock should be there. At that time, you're going to select two stocks also. For example, here I'm seeing Wipro, HCL Tech, and TCS. I'm going to open TCS 15 minutes time frame. For first 15 minutes, I'll not do anything. First 15 minutes, I'll not do anything. After first 15 minutes, I'm going to mark its low. I'm going to mark its low. Okay, whichever stock it is showing, that one, I'm going to mark its low. And when it breaks, okay, when it breaks and gives the closing below that, listen carefully, guys. When it breaks and gives the closing below that, that candle high and low will be my entry point and stop loss. See this candle, here is my entry point and high is my stop loss. I got 0.3% of stop loss and I'm going to take 1.1:2 minimum. Okay, minimum 1:2 I'm going to take. Yes, see over here. This is live market trade. You can use it. This is a live market trade. Okay, I'm going to explain again. Open NSE website at 9:25 a.m. Click here on view all. You will see which are advances is more or declines are more. If the declines are more, then come back over here. Okay, see the top losers. Okay, top losers you guys can check over here. And then which stocks are similar over here, which sector stocks are more. For here we have three stocks which are of IT sector. So I'll choose TCS. Then I'll mark the 15 minutes. First 15 minutes I'll not do anything. I'll mark the low and I'll wait for it. When whichever candle breaks the low and gives the closing below that, that candle high as stop loss, that candle low as entry point, and I'll get my targets. Okay, this is very important. You might be an option trader, you might have earn more, but if you lose control over equity market, it will be very, very, very hard for you guys to earn again in option market. I'm telling you guys. Okay, focus here as well as in your option market as well. Every day you cannot find the option like movements in the options. So that is why you should always focus on equity market. Keep a balanced state. Options and equity, keep a balanced state over there. That you guys can earn and perform very good in the market. You can be very good profitable. Okay, like this. Now, so what happens if there is more advances and less declines? Then guys, come back to this sheet. Okay, this page. Take the top gainers. For example, see Cipla and Divis Lab. We have good. So I'm going for Divis Lab. Okay. Now I'll go for Divis Lab. Divis Laboratories. Okay, first 15 minutes I'm going to check. I'm not going to do anything. This is my first 15 minutes candle. Not this. Yes, see, this is my first 15 minutes candle. In first 15 minutes only, it gave me a very good move. In these situations, if the first candle is more than 0.9% move, downside or upside, let's take it more than 0.6% move, we will not trade. You can see here in single candle, we have 1.90, almost 2% of move. So we will not trade in this. Then go to Cipla. Okay, in Cipla also same situations, do not trade. Only if you get the situations, then only you're supposed to take the trade. You guys can see over here, first 15 minutes, mark the high as it is in top gainers. Okay, mark the high. Whichever candle breaks, that candle high and low as stop loss. Which candle gave a breakout? This candle gave a breakout. Correct? Yes, this candle gave a breakout. This is my entry point, and this is my stop loss. Okay, and my target should be minimum 1:2. Yes. Did it work? No, it did not work. It did not get activated. So we did not trade on this day. Okay, why it did not get activated? You guys can see the reason over here. It was a bearish market. Okay, that means the market was in the favor of bears, not in the favor of bulls. Okay, this is strategy 2. Any doubts in strategy 1 and 2? Any doubts, anyone? No doubts? Okay, there is no doubts. Good. Let's move further with last strategy for the day. Now you guys need to find out same way you will open. This is a one I have taught you to prepare a day before. That means for tomorrow's market, I have prepared it for you. Okay. And now I'm going to prepare and one more second strategy I thought was during live market. And the third strategy I'm teaching is of most 90% accuracy you will get in this. If it doesn't work out, let me know. Because I have been using this past 1.5 years and it is working beautifully. Total 4.5 years is my experience in stock market. In that 1.5 years, I have been using this strategy. Okay, let me show you. First thing you need to do is do the change over here, this button. You will see the top losers. Okay, it should be more than 5%. Top losers should be more than 5%. Or else, see the gainers. The gainer should be more than 5%. In Nifty 50, we do not have anyone. No issues. Next, move on to next Nifty 50. Percentage change. Anyone? No. Again, we have LIC. Okay. LIC we have. Remember what we have? We have is LIC. Now, this strategy is of 90% accuracy, guys. Do not miss out this strategy. LICI is the form. NSE. Don't do anything. Okay, very simple strategy. This is the movement for 1 day, right? This is the movement for 1 day. From here till here. Correct? We have 9% of movement. Overall movement. Just mark the high. Day high, you mark it. Marked. Very simple. No trend line, nothing. This is a psychological based strategy. Okay, psychological based strategy. This is the high. And tomorrow, most probably in this type of movements, when there is a 9%, it will be a gap up opening. When it opens gap up, and if it closes below day high, listen carefully what I'm telling you. If it closes below day high, then a small retest it will come down at least 2 to 3%. That means 10% if it has went up, 30 to 40% it will come down. How much? 30 to 40%. Just mark the high. It will be gap up opening only. If it comes down and closes below the day high, previous day high, then you guys can expect a small pullback and you guys can come down till 30 to 40% of the movement, whatever it has given. Okay, whatever movement it has given, that 30 to 40% you guys can get it. Is this clear? And one more, if you see, it is of change. I'll see any losers. Losers we don't have. Gainers we have HCL Tech. Remember this trade, LIC. Any candle closes below, then you guys can see the correction very well, and you can capture that. And one more is HCL or HAL. HAL. Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. Same movement, guys. Same movement. Okay. So what you're supposed to do, mark the day high. If it closes below that, okay, small pullback or without pullback will also it will happen. So when it comes down, you will see at least 30 to 40% of correction will happen. So two stocks I have given you. Try to find this more than 5% movement in Nifty 50. If you don't get it, go for next Nifty 50. Do not go other than that. Go for next Nifty 50 and or else try in any sectorial things. I'll explain you that. So when it is there a movement of 5% plus, so mark the high, day high. Then if it comes down, then you guys can make sure that you will get a 30 to 40% of correction. In reverse also it is same. If it has lost more than 5% down, the same thing, it will recover some movements. Okay, as one example I have over here, Cipla, as we saw over there. Cipla. Not on the same day, sir. I am telling you, it is on the different day, not on the same day. Different day. Today it has given a 10% movement. The next day I am talking about. Now you guys can see over here, Cipla gave a 7% move, down move. After that, see, at least it has recovered from here. If you observe, it has recovered at least 2 to 3%. Okay, in this way you can assume that. Okay, it is going to recover. And one more thing, let me show you one more example. If you don't get in Nifty 50 and Nifty next 50, move on to indices like auto. You guys can check. It is not there. Then go for bank. Bank is also not there. And then go for FMCG. Not there. Like that, whichever stock is available, that one you can do it. So let me memorize everything for you at once now. The first thing we learned was to prepare for next day. Okay, prepare for next day by stock selection of top 3 gainers and top 3 losers. And if the market is bullish, we will go for top gainers. If the market is bearish, we will be going for top losers analysis. So keep this in mind. This is about strategy 1. The strategy 2 will be of which in the live market. Wait till 9:25, open NSE website, check the advances and declines. If advances is more, go for top gainers. Mark the 15 minutes high. Whichever candle gives a breakout and closes above that, that candle high will be your entry point, low will be your stop loss. Book minimum 1:2 over there. This is our strategy 2. Strategy 3 of find a stock in Nifty 50 or next Nifty 50, Nifty next 50. If you get a stock movement of more than 5% on the upside, first is for the upside more than 5%, market's high, day high. If for next day, if it comes down below day high, then you guys can enter into that trade and at least take the correction profit of 30 to 40%. Okay. If not, if it is on the downside movement, like 7 points or 7% it has come down, or 5%, more than 5% it has come down, mark the low. On the next day, if it crosses and closes above the low, then you guys can enter and at least recover, okay, at least get a recovery of 20 to 30%, 30 to 40% of whatever the fall or the gain that has happened in the previous day. These are the three strategies that I have explained. So if you guys have any doubts, do let us know in the comment section or in the live chat. I'll be live in still for 2 minutes in the video. If you have any doubts, you guys can let me know. And if you have any other doubts also, you guys can let me know. And join our free discussion group where I'll be discussing all these things for absolutely free. We don't charge anything from anyone. Any type of services are not there in Hope Trader any longer. Okay. There will be a discussion group. The link will be given in the description. You guys can join them. So please analyze Tata Consumers and NTPC. Okay, so first one I'll do is NTPC. See, whenever you guys are supposed to do the analysis, whenever you're trying to do the analysis, go with multiple time frame analysis. It will be like this. 1 week time frame, mark the high, highest resistance, highest support, then come down to 1 day time frame. Okay, when you come down to 1 day time frame, mark again the nearest support and resistance. The resistance is same, guys. As you guys can see, resistance is same, support here it has changed. Come down to 4 hour time frame, try to find any trend lines or any patterns that you are able to see. None, such as nothing is there over here. Come down to 1 hour time frame. Now I can see some movement. See here, there is one trend line. Okay. Now, if it takes the support in this trend line and if it goes up, break out, and then the new highs are possible. Okay, this is the analysis for NTPC. Okay, this is the analysis for NTPC. Now, next will be of which one did you tell? Tata Consumers. Okay, Tata Consumer Products. Again, same process, weekly time frame, research chart view, remove drawings, mark the highest resistance and mark the highest support for now 1 day time frame. There is one trend line that is clearly visible over here. 4 hours time frame, clear, good. 15 minutes for a 1 hour time frame. We have one small support which can give a breakout. Okay. Now you guys, if you want to create any long positions, let this give a breakout. Let this come near this trend line. Then you guys can create a long position. Clear? Good. And next is uh, granules. 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 Yeah. Same process. One means, sir, I cannot keep on doing everything. You have to do it. Do it. You guys only do it. Okay. Weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Mark everything. Send me in the Telegram or send in the screen only. You guys can see that we have mentioned our WhatsApp number. You guys can send it over there. If you have done anything wrong, I'll correct it. Okay. This is the last analysis I'm doing. Okay. This is the resistance, weekly time frame, daily time frame I'm moving. Breakout in resistance has already happened, so I'll mark the nearest support. Do your analysis and send me it over WhatsApp. If any doubts, I'll help you out. Okay, if you have done the mistakes also, I will correct it out. Okay, and over here I'm going to mark the highest resistance. Okay, so in 4 hours time frame it is good. 1 hour time frame also it is It will be good, 110%, no doubt in that. Yes, it is good only. So for tomorrow, if it gives a breakout, for intraday also you guys can take this. If it gives a breakout over here, okay, from here if it gives a breakout with a small pullback, you guys can expect a target. Okay, if you are looking for long term in this, investing in long term, then wait, let it give a some movement. Okay, from here let it give some movement, let it come give a pullback, and then you guys can enter over here. Okay, in this support zone, this can be your entry points. This complete zone can be your entry point. Understood? This is about granules. So do the analysis, guys. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment sections. I'll be replying to every comment on my every video, no matter if you're putting it in a positive way or no matter if you're putting it in a negative way. I'll be replying to every comment and I'll be helping you guys to be profitable for free of cost. I'm not charging anything from you guys. Okay, for again in the next weekend, we are going to bring up with a new topic, something like this, which will be very helpful, which will not be basic, which will be very helpful for beginners, intermediates, and as well as advanced people. Okay, so if you guys are new to this channel, please do like this live and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and do keep a regular update on our YouTube channel where we will be uploading every day what happened with my 50,000 capital for 30 days of challenge. So thank you so much for participating in this live, guys. I wish you best of luck for tomorrow, and we'll see tomorrow with day 4 analysis of what I did, a profit tomorrow or a loss, I don't know. I'll be uploading it in my YouTube channel, so please do subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.